As India emerges as a global economic powerhouse, our growth story faces a silent, growing challenge. Behind the beautiful coastlines and bustling cities lies a critical question of sustainability. Water security is no longer just an environmental concern, it is the foundation of our national future. My name is Akshat Tyagi. I am one of the co founders of SUSBio. In 2011, Raghavendra Suryavanshi and I were postgraduate students at BITS Pilani, one of India's best engineering colleges. Our campus had a sewage treatment problem. Nobody wanted to solve it. We did. We built a working STP for our own institute while still in our second year. It worked. And that small experiment changed everything. And we realized if two students can solve this problem on a campus, why can't this be solved everywhere in India? When we graduated, we had job offers, good ones. We said no to all of them. Instead, we took a bank loan, invested every rupee we had, and built a demo sewage treatment plant 10,000 liters a day, big enough to serve a 20 flat apartment. No client, no revenue, no safety net. Just the belief that if we could show people this actually works, they'd give us a chance. They did. SUSBio today is three co-founders. Raghavendra Suryavanshi, my partner from day one at BITS Pilani. He is the architect of everything we build. The process engineering, the quality standards, the manufacturing benchmarks at our Pune factory, that's all him. Every eco-treat plant that leaves our factory meets the bar he set. Jacob Thomas, our CEO, his strength is reach. He has built the partnerships national and international that put SUSBio plants in places we couldn't have reached. I lead the branding and marketing efforts, taking our Make in India innovation to the global stage and ensuring EcoTreat becomes a household name for sustainability worldwide. Between the three of us, technology, manufacturing, and market, none of us had a plan B. 12 years later, SUSBio has over 500 sewage treatment plants running across 24 Indian states. 12 years later, SUSBio has become one of India's leading wastewater treatment firms. We are proud to be exporting our Make in India product, EcoTreat, to 6 other countries. With over 500 plants running across 24 Indian states from Ladakh to Kerala, our vision for clean water is now going global. Water that would have gone into a drain or a river is now being used again. That's not a small thing. Here's what we know now that we didn't know in 2013. India's water problem isn't about shortage, it's about waste. India generates 72,000 million liters of sewage every single day. Less than 30% of it gets properly treated. Every hotel, every apartment complex, every factory, every one of them can treat water on site. Every one of them can reuse it. We don't need a giant central plant somewhere. We need 1,000 small ones in the right places. That's what SUSBio is building, one installation at a time across every state in this country. If you are building something in India, a home, a hotel, a hospital, a factory, and you need a sewage treatment plant that actually works, talk to us. Or if this story means something to you, subscribe. We put out a new video on India's water every month. At SUSBio, we are building world class wastewater treatment technology right here in India for the global stage. Join us in our mission to make India and the world a more water secure place for generations to come. We've only just begun.